Hi everyone, my name is Sophia and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a review and first impressions on the Colourpop x Lizzie McGuire collection. I was a die-hard Lizzie McGuire fan with my sister when we were younger, and it was literally the show of our life. We revolved our lives around this show, and I am so glad that I got my hands on some of the products. My sister and I both bought some stuff from the line of products in this collection, and I am so excited to start using them because they're just all really cute and the packaging is perfect. But we're gonna get through that in a second. But first I want to say two things. Firstly, thank you so much for subscribing if you're new, and thank you guys so much for having patience with me with these past few weeks that I haven't posted. I have been really stressed with school. I'm an education major, and especially throughout COVID we've had to do field hours and things online, and it's just taken a really long time. And I've been stressed and I've had a lot of projects and just all this stuff. So I'm so happy that I'm almost done and that today I found the time to sit down and get ready a little bit and delve into these products because I've been really wanting to do this video. If you don't follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you should, because that's where I've been posting. I've definitely been posting more on TikTok than anything else because I feel like in my free time, when I found little moments, I can show off little products and things like that. I've been trying to show off some products on Instagram and TikTok and just really use my TikTok and Instagram to grow my platforms. But YouTube has my heart and I love doing videos, so I'll definitely never stop doing that. But because I didn't have that much time, I do want you guys to follow me on there if you want to, or if you can, whatever, and just have more of an opportunity to see my face if you want to. So yeah, anyways, let's get into this video and get into these products. Firstly, I got the Lippy scrub in Bubblegum Pop, which is literally the cutest thing. I love the packaging. The packaging is actually really nice. It's good quality packaging, even though it's kind of playful. But yeah, so cute. Literally so cute. And wow, it smells so good. It smells just like bubblegum, and I'm excited to try this out before I do my lip color because I love scrubs. Then I got the Glitterly Obsessed Glitter Gel. Looks like this. The packaging is just all so cute and reminiscent of Lizzie McGuire, and it's this one called Get a Grip, and the packaging on the inside looks like so, and there's little flowers on the top, which is so cute. Literally so cute, oh my gosh. And that is what it looks like. So super pretty, and I'm excited to swatch this. Then I got one of the blushes in You Are Magnifico, and I think that this color is calling my name. The packaging is so cute, guys. Literally, it's so Lizzie McGuire. It's perfect. And this is the color, and I love the little stampings of the flowers on the inside. And the color is just this really pretty bright dark pink with glitters in, finely milled glitters. Let's talk about this palette. This palette is the What Dreams Are Made Of palette. This is what the box looks like. Oh my gosh, guys. These colors are so fun. I saw them online and I was like, these are gonna be really fun to try out. But let's look at them. The colors, they're all so pretty, and I'm excited to give them a bit of swatches and show you guys them on top. So I'll be putting swatches over my face throughout this video and showing you guys all the colors, but I want to give some of these a swatch. So swatch, this color is called Please, and it's just this really pretty glitter, and I'm so excited to play around with it because it's literally a pressed glitter, and it's honestly beautiful. Such a pretty orange. Then there's so many different colors, guys, so many different colors. They're all so fun. I have Hello Fabulous, which is this beautiful purple color, literally so pretty. There's Dear Diary, the prettiest green olive color, and Dear Diary really reminds me of when Lizzie would do those green looks. I remember them perfectly with her green outfits. So cute. Literally so cute. Now I want to use these on my face, use these on my eyes, and get started with using some color. So for the eye look, I think I'm gonna do something with like the pinks and the greens. I don't know, maybe like a pink purpley color with some green or something. I don't know. It's gonna be something playful just to try different colors. Maybe the look won't turn out the way that I planned. We'll see. But I just want to like play with the pinks, the purples, and the greens really bad. So what I think I'm gonna do is like pink like all over my lid, maybe some purple on my lower lash line, and in the inner corner I'm gonna do some green, which is fun and different. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit, but I'm gonna start off with the color Done and Done, which is this color right here, and I'm kind of going to use it as a little bit of like a transition shade type thing. I always start with a little bit of a transition shade just to kind of get my look started and have kind of some dimension. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this color, and it's kind of going to go all over my eye but be based in my crease. So yeah, it's not doing much, it's just getting a little bit of a wash of color and starting off my eye. Now for the like inner half, I'm gonna do which is literally called right here, and I'm gonna use that as kind of like a blending inner like corner type color, but I'm gonna do it kind of like on the inner half of my lid, and then I'm going to blend it in with other colors. I'm going with kind of like a brush like this, and I'm just gonna really tap it on in there in the inner like half. Payoff is pretty nice. I really do think that like the color is paying off on that lid and giving off some pretty color, so that's nice. Love that. All right, so this is what we're working with right now. My eyelids are like a little weird. I feel like this one's different than the other, but that's just me. I'm gonna flip this brush around and just pack a little bit of outfit repeater on the outer corner, and I'm gonna put that kind of like at the outer half, and then I'll blend it in with Digital Beam or Bean, which is such a pretty purple. But yeah, let's just tap this on in there and kind of blend it with each other. So this is like kind of just gonna be topped in to the outer part for right now, and then I'm going to do something with it in a sec. This is looking a little bit like a train wreck, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna go in with this like brush that I kind of just put a little bit of outfit repeater on again, and just blend these two together a little bit so they kind of like morph into each other. And I'm just gonna do that and blend it on up a little bit. Aside from my awful technique, these colors are definitely blending in together. I swear this will work out. I really do think it will. But if it doesn't, like, let's not judge me too hard. Now I'm gonna go in with outfit repeater and Digital Bean on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna start with outfit repeater and just morph into digital Bean at the end. All right, this is what we're working with so far. I don't know if on camera it captures what I'm seeing in my mirror, but I don't think it looks that bad. But on camera, it does look a little rough. So, yeah. We'll see. When I think of Lizzie McGuire, I think of green and pink for some reason. So that's why I want to do a little bit of green in the inner corner. We're going to see how that turns out. But we're going to use a little bit of Dear Diary, which is this like shimmery green. And I think it's going to be really pretty, but we'll see. So I'm going to just use it with like a pointing tapered brush. This isn't a tutorial though, guys. Wow. Yeah, this green is potent. And that's what the green looks like. It's definitely not like the prettiest look with the green, but I think the green definitely screams Lizzie McGuire for some reason. I just remember all her like green outfits and they were all like always so pretty. I decided that I'm not going to be using the Glitterly Obsessed on my eyes today just because I don't want to like do anything different to this look, but I am going to swatch it real time just to see how this swatches on my skin on my hand, and I'll do a little swatcheroo, or you've already seen that swatch probably by now. So yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful, beautiful product, and I do think that I'll use it for like fun looks when I do fun looks. It's definitely not a necessary product, but it's still really fun. And that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's super pretty. Love that. So now I'm gonna do like some mascara and a little bit of eyeliner and call it a day for this look, and then go back to blush. All right, so this is the finished eye look. I don't know if you guys are gonna love it or hate it. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It's definitely daring and fun and just different, but it's one of those things where I just wanted to try out multiple shades, and that was the way that I came up with it. I love the pinks. I think that they are really, really, really rich in color. And the green is very vibrant, really, really pretty. The colors swatch beautifully, and this palette is really, really pretty. I think that Colourpop shadows are normally amazing quality, so wasn't really surprised there. So now I want to do the blush on my cheeks, and this is the Magnifico pressed powder blush. This is something that I think that they should have done cream. For some reason, I just feel like cream is so in that like it just would have been better, but powder blushes are still beautiful, and I still am excited to try this color out because I think it's a really pretty and unique bright shade. So let's do some blush because I feel like my skin really needs it. It's like very, very pale right now. It doesn't have much going on. Okay, right off the bat, I already see it like pigmented. I'm starting a little bit like closer to my apples, which I normally don't do. I start like up here, but I don't know, just thought for this look I would do that. Kind of like how I used to do my makeup. Honestly, it's a pretty color. It's very youthful looking. It's like that pink that you feel like you would use back in the early 2000s. Now it's more of those like mauve-y, peachy pinks. I feel like those are way more in. But I mean, still pretty. I definitely went a little ham with the blush, but it's still pretty and like I really like it. So now all I have to do is try this Bubblegum Top lip scrub. I feel like the reason why I ended up getting just the lip scrub is because the little juicy tube lip glosses aren't really for me. Even though I love gloss, I feel like it just wasn't for me. I didn't need them. I didn't really need the scrub either, but I wanted to try it out because I love scrubs. And this one's really, really finely milled, little like sugary particles. I don't know. Feels good. Nothing too special. You could go without it. All right, so that is the look and that is the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and that you guys get your hands on this if you are a Lizzie McGuire fan and a Colourpop fan, because they did an amazing job with these colors and these shades and everything. It's very reminiscent of Lizzie McGuire. The packaging is so cute. The quality of the products is so nice, and I really do enjoy this palette and this blush. I think that I'll definitely get some use out of them, even though they're kind of more daring colors and more nostalgic colors. You can really work those into now because we're all in this nostalgia like era of the times. I don't know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more of me, definitely stick around and subscribe and like this video. I will be posting really soon, trying to go back to my Wednesday schedule, but bear with me guys, because in the summer I will definitely have more time to dedicate videos, and I will definitely try to do more videos per week. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I already said that like 3 times, but I really do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!